Hello, I'm Corey with November Tire Changers. We've had a few people ask about a BMW GS aluminum wheel tire change combined with the Anakee III tire. Makes for a challenging tire change. What I've determined is BMW kind of dropped the ball. The drop center is not deep enough on this wheel to allow for an easy tire change. I'm going to show you how to install that tire using the Gold Wing tire change method, which requires three of our spoon bars and some wooden blocks. Removal of the tires is normal with a mount-demount bar. I like to place my valve stem or tire sensor somewhere around the 6 o'clock position on the tire changer, between 6 and 7, and that keeps it out of harm's way. When we install the tire, we use our lube. We'll lube the drop center of the wheel thoroughly, all the way around, just the drop center on this. You don't want big globs, but you just want a good slick coating on it. Now pull the tire up and put a little bit right here between 10 and 2 as I push it on. It helps ease installation. From here, I'll move on to my first spoon. We've got the spoon bar collar set, as you can see, about 4 inches down on the back post. Pull the tire out of the way and hook the first spoon bar onto the spoon bar collar. From here, I'm going to grab 2 more spoons and a wooden block. About 7 o'clock position, make my first bite, push it down, set the wooden block. Here, make another bite, and as I take a bite with a new spoon, push down slowly with the other one. Set wooden block. And I'll pull this one out, move over, push it down, slowly rock it over, set wooden block, sit in the block. So basically I've got 4 blocks in there. That's enough to hold the tire in place. Just each bite, slow and steady. It does require a bit of effort. Again, we're dealing with a wheel with a low drop center and a very stiff tire. Should be able to get this last spoon in here. Again, making sure that I'm fully in the notch on the spoon bar tip. Pushing down, slow and steady. If you get to where you get this last little bit where it won't go, pull your spoon bar out. You can either rock the spoon down, or I found an easy way. Take your B-mount, take your bead breaker, just get along the edge, just give it a little push, and get that last little bit down there. There we have a Anakee III mounted on a BMW GS 1200 aluminum rear wheel. Thank you for watching.